It is Friday, friends, and my friend Patrick right here is going to help me out because one of the things I love about Super Bowl Sunday is the superfood. And this year, most of us will truly be spending the big day of the big game at our home with our immediate family. So even though it'll be probably a smaller get-together than you are used to, you can still make a super spread with a charcuterie board. So let's go ahead and show you the inspiration that we are using for this. I found this on Pinterest earlier this week, and I fell in love with the football cheese ball as the focal point. So let's go ahead and show you that. There we go. Oh. I already did cut up all the veggies, but I did buy the carrots, the celery, cucumber, peppers, and a whole bunch of sauces, pretzels, crackers, Chex Mix, cheese, salami, pigs in a blanket, wings, and the focal point, that football, a little earlier this week from Save-A-Lot. And friends, everything you're about to see cost me $45. So because these kind of take a long time to put together, I came in a little bit early to get started on this. All you have to do though is cut up a bunch of stuff. Give yourself plenty of time. Takes probably an hour to cut it all up and then start organizing it. And my focal point, as I mentioned, is the football. It's a basic cheese ball. I just use cream cheese and a bunch of shredded cheese and then a little bit of that dry ranch dip. And I covered that football with little pepperonis. We got to add the laces though, friends. So that is where the Swiss cheese comes in. I just cut it pretty thinly. We're just going to position it across here. And what's nice about a charcuterie board, none of this is made with anything with mayo in it, so you can leave it out for a while. You don't have to worry about, okay, first quarter's over, I got to put everything up, put it back in the refrigerator. No, you're good to go. So add the little laces, because we want to be festive on Super Bowl Sunday, of course. So there we go. We have a football. I have a variety of cheeses, and I highly recommend
when you. What that is.
Yes.
Okay.
When you go to Save-A-Lot, get the variety pack of cheese. It's going to save you money, and it's a lot easier to just use the already smaller pieces. So also at Save-A-Lot, what I fell in love with were these little buffalo chicken bites. So I'm going to add them in right here. And Kit and Matt, there are no rules when it comes to a meat and cheese tray. I say you eat with your eyes, so wherever you want a little bit of extra color, that's where you should add some stuff. Also, all the sauces I got, as I mentioned, got them over at Save-A-Lot. So we have a blue cheese, we have a very, very, very hot sauce, also have a honey mustard right here, and then an Emo's pizza sauce that I used for the little pigs in a blanket, which I had never made those before, so that was quite fun. But I don't know about you guys, whenever I do have buffalo wings, I want something a little crisp and a little cooler, because again, these are very hot. Add in the celery right here, and again, another little pop of color. And then once you have everything kind of placed, it's all about the filler. That's what they say, friends. So
actually, it's all about carrying it out there without spilling.
Yes. Oh no, you set this up where you're gonna have it.
A symbol on site.
So a little bit of extra filler gonna come in the form of Chex Mix that I just put all over the place, basically right there. And there you go.
Wow, that is a spread.
Yeah,
Nicely
let's go,
done.
Chiefs.
Nicely
or
done.
Bucks.
Very
Thank
nice.
you. Thank you.
I am impressed.
Thank you. Again, all this stuff from Save-A-Lot. To visit a location near you, go to savealot.com. Huge thanks to our friends over there for letting me do my shopping for this segment and for helping me find the foods, because I'm kind of lost in grocery stores. It was a lot of fun, all this stuff for under $46.
Well done.
You can even check out that Facebook Live on Laura's page where she was walking through the aisles talking to herself on her phone. It's kind of funny.
Which is what I call Wednesday.
Solid work, Laura Hettiger. Well done. Very nice. Hopefully